Okay guys, we are putting together, or they are putting together, the E-Club kits for March. And along with Brandon's sun drop down here, we've got, there's the paper pads, there's the solid cardstock paper pads are gorgeous. Look at that. And then we've got some labels, not labels.
This sort of tags.
Tags.
Here's some ephemera.
There's ephemera packs. This, I think, is Little Birdie, isn't that right?
Yeah,
Look
little
at
flowers.
those flowers.
And then I'm going to pass this over to Becky.
And then some keys.
And she's going to drop.
So he's packing them that way. And then Bethany's dropping in the keys and the extra flowers. Look at that. Oof.
And then Aaron.
And then let me go behind Bethany.
Aaron's dropping in.
And then Aaron, what are you putting in?
The tape.
You're putting in the washi tape? Ooh, look at that. And the trim. Wow. Good job. And then what do you do with them, Aaron?
You put them in the bag, don't you?
What do you do? You put them in the bag and you zip them up easily. And then you do what? Oops, let me follow him over here. I didn't make anybody sick. He's a fast boy. Then he puts them in the box real carefully and closes them up. And then Brandon puts some tape on them and they're ready to ship out to you guys. All right, we will talk to you guys later.